Good morning everyone. As you can see, I am not wearing any makeup. I just kind of wanted to show you, you've met naughty Charlie Asbo. Well, this is Mr. Bing. And I'm sat here in my pyjamas having my morning coffee in my crazy cat lady cup. And this is what he does. Look. You have to excuse them at no makeup. I've got a little spot on my chin. Stress spot from the wedding things, and I get nothing done because look, this is what he does. He just sits here. Oh my god, ghastly, but this is me. I wish we could all look amazing and get up and be like, I look beautiful. Unfortunately, it takes a lot of work. Bing, Bing. What are you doing? What kiss? What kiss? I get nothing done, do I? I have so much to do, and this is what he does. I don't know if you can see it properly, but look. This is him sat on my shoulders. Bing. Bing. Can you get down? Hello? Oi. Oi. Where have you gone? Oh, I need to get my work done. Pringles, do you actually care? Do you care? Oi. He sits there for hours on my shoulders. Look, if I get up. Look, if I get up, this is me walking. Look, going into the kitchen now. And I'm now in the kitchen, look. And he's just sitting on my shoulders. No, we're not moving. You're just mummy taxi. Is it mummy taxi? Where should we go now? There's Mr. Lewis. Oh no, wrong way. Oh, I don't know. Should we just walk around? We're walking around and he just does this. This is what he does. Make a cup of tea. And he just stays here. I just thought, I'm sorry, I know I look a mess, but this is Mr. Bing. You know Mr. Asbo, but this is naughty Mr. Bing. You're naughty. You're going to make everyone at home laugh, apart from this here. Should we go back and sit down for a bit? No? Okay. You just want to sit. Oh, Mr. Bing. This one gives it. Say bye to everyone then. Say bye. Say see you all later. Hi everyone. So I thought I would pop on camera today to show you I've had my hair trial, and I hope you can see it alright because little Linky's filming, and I just want to give you a twirl of my fairy princess hairstyle. Can you see it alright? Do I look good, Link?
Yeah.
Do I look like a princess?
Yeah.
Do I look 20 years younger? What?
Maybe.
Are you lying?
Yes.
Okay. So everyone, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Hopefully Charming will not see this video. So I hope you like it. One more twirl, because I'm a fairy princess. Take care. See you soon. Bye. Hi, so you saw the before, and now this is the after having a few Prosecco's. So hi everyone, I just needed to pop on camera and let you know I wasn't really drunk. That clip was actually, I had tried to take my hair out so that Charming didn't get a clue, because I've got it up now, but I was trying to get all the pins out. My daughter was here, my grandson was here, and I did look like I'd been dragged through a hedge backwards and had had a few too many Prosecco's. So, but I wasn't really drunk. Honestly, I'm really sober. Charming's on his way home now, so I needed to get, you know, all evidence gone. That was my day today. It was really hectic. Tomorrow's really hectic. I have a sports day, I have Franny in the morning, then I have sports day, but I might get Franny to help me with the question and answers tomorrow. If not, I will do it Saturday. So I will be back soon, and I hope you've enjoyed a few fun clips. So have a lovely evening. Take care. Bye-bye.